First bike ride. I'm backing in the bike. 3-point turn. Little pivot. Pedal back in the foot. Let's do it. Just pick it up. Just weird and walk.
How did that feel?
Oh, good. My last mile was like so big. So I just got one back. So if you were wondering who the special guest was, he arrived. Slade. Slade's also gonna do the Ironman 70.3. To meet two brothers. Maybe we got another special guest coming. He's training too. He'll be exposed in some later video. This is gonna be Slade's first official bike ride. Just kitted him out. He came into Philly to pick up some of the gear. His bike's coming later next week or in the next 2 weeks. Ordered a Wahoo indoor trainer. So we're just gonna go for an easy 20-mile bike ride, about an hour, down SRT to MLK and back. We'll see how it goes. What's up? All right. I'll show you.
Wait, where's the first one?
No, it goes in the jersey pocket.
It's looking for the pocket the whole time.
So just whatever hand, like you read my right hand, I like holding the bike and getting up with my right hand. But just whatever's comfortable. You'll see you're probably not very comfortable all the way from hand on the floor. Oh, one grab, TV grab. The right foot in. See, I'm not seeing the seat, but I have to keep on. But that's a 6 o'clock. You push your pedal back to 6 o'clock position. And try to push the shit into the right position. It's closer to the toes. Twist around. Just try to push it back. Push it down. First bike ride in the books, halfway done. What are your thoughts?
Figuring out how to hold the hands, killing me. Legs feel good, in great shape. Let's see. 9 miles in, we got 40 plus to go.
Not actually 40 plus. We're just gonna do a quick 18-mile loop down SRT to MLK and back. It's 50 degrees today. It's the winter. It is pretty breezy, but Slade's holding on tight.
Hybrid athlete.
Got this beautiful view, Boathouse Row, art museum in the background. What more can you ask for in the winter? Rest stop over. Time to head back into the city. Brunch time.
We do this shit, baby. We do it.
Only 56 miles race day.
Stop.
What happened?
I said if you want to get in, I can.
No!
After you. Quick brunch, Victory Brewing. Everyone got chicken sandwiches and fries. Had to refuel after the bike ride. Now into some recovery. Compression boots. I love the way they feel on my feet after a long week of running, riding. It's the perfect thing that you need. I kind of botched this. We got to the gym at 3:42. We get here and they said the gym's closing at 4. So I intended to sit in the Norm Tech compression boots for at least 30 minutes, ideally 45 minutes, Slade 2. But we get here, they're closing in 18 minutes. There's somebody else on the second chair, so there's only one chair available for the compression boots. And we have basically 15 minutes to sit here and try to get some type of recovery in. So it wasn't the best planning, wasn't the best timing, but we're gonna make the most of it. Gotta shop for the essential for the week. Ooh, they got big bills. Little coffee hack. Check out your local grocery store for their beans that have roast dates on them. Wave bye.
See you. Welcome.